Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage. And behind me, I have the beautiful 2025 Ducati Panigale V4. And in this video, I will be guiding you through the installation process of the Womet-Tech front fork sliders. Now this is a Delrin and aluminum kit designed to help minimize the damage taken on to your front forks and crucial brake components in the event of a crash. Now it is important to note, every crash is different and there's no way to protect against everything. The best crash protection of all is to simply not crash. But that's not the case, that's not the reality. So crash protection is designed to help minimize the damage taken on in the event of a crash. We have tested these front fork sliders on various bikes in race and track settings as well as on the road, and we have found evidence that these do help protect your crucial braking components and your front forks in certain situations. Now, this is a pretty straightforward installation process. We have an aluminum rod that will go through the center hollow axle and then two Delrin end caps that are secured via some hardware. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and begin this installation process. Here we are with the front fork slider kit from Womet-Tech. And as you can see, as we do an unboxing, you can see the hardware components. We also have a set of instructions, a couple stickers with the Womet-Tech branding on it. And then we are also given two sets of accent stickers that are reflective in nature. We have a silver set and a red set. We'll cover that towards the end of the video. And just as this kit is laid out in the box is how we will be installing it. So if you're looking at the bike, this is the orientation of which it will be installed. We have one puck that has a shouldered feature on it. The shorter bolt will go with that puck and the threaded rod, and we will begin threading on, catching a few threads, but not bottoming out just yet. At this point, we will go ahead and insert this into the hollow axle, like so. And now on the other side, we'll go ahead and grab the remaining puck, which has a cutout feature designed to fit seamlessly and flush around the axle nut, like so. So we'll grab the longer bolt that coincides with that, grab our size 6 hex key, Allen key T-handle, whatever tool you have, might be a hex bit on a ratchet, and we will insert it into the axle and then slowly begin tightening down. Now it is important to note that we do need this puck to sit flush on the axle, like so. And you want to begin threading on by hand to ensure you're not cross-threading. Once you get to a point where you have a couple of threads engaged, you will grab two of your size 6 tools and begin threading on the bolts. Now, as you bottom out, you will see things get tight. We're gonna go ahead and torque this down to 10 foot-pounds. That is ample tension for this preloaded system that will prevent this system from coming undone, and it will not sacrifice the integrity of the axle rod that is aluminum. And if you don't have a torque wrench, 10 foot-pounds is about hand tight, and then you go a little bit past that. Just like that, you can see we have installed successfully our Womet-Tech front fork sliders. But the job isn't done. I did mention we do have a set of colored accent rings. So at this point, if you own this bike, you know that the only color options are red. So if you want to add a pop of color, you can install these red accent rings. And if you want a little bit of contrast, you can go with the silver ones. These are both reflective in nature, so if you shine a light at them as you're riding by, flash from a camera, they will reflect light back. The best way to do this, to apply these stickers, is to grab a small pick or small flathead screwdriver and very carefully peel the sticker off of the sticker sheet, like so. And then you're going to gently apply, let me go ahead and swing around on this side. Gently apply the sticker and then press down firmly, ensuring it is installed and seated fully with no air gaps that will allow debris, and then for the sticker to unseat. You can repeat those steps on the opposite side puck, and then you'll be ready to ride. Just like that, your front forks and crucial brake components on the front system are now protected in the event of a crash. And as I mentioned, of course, crash protection is designed to help minimize the damage taken onto your vehicle in the event of a crash. So keep that in mind as you're shopping around and looking at different products available on the market. But if you are interested in the Womet-Tech front fork sliders, you're ready to purchase them, or you want to see what else we have available for the Panigale V4 or any other bike that may be in your garage, please be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these fork sliders can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to say, hey, let us know where you're watching from, the comment section is the perfect place to do so. We'd love to hear from you. If you haven't already, it would also be the perfect time right now to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we have going out for the Panigale V4 and plenty of other models that are finding their way into the TST HQ. And of course, if you want to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest happenings at TST, including events we're going to be attending, sales we're running, new product releases, even employment opportunities or bikes that we are selling from our shop arsenal, our social media pages are the perfect place to do that. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X, Threads, all username TST Industries. Those are the go-to places to stay up to date with everything around TST. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage. I thank you all for watching. I hope you all ride safe, and we'll catch up with you next time.